So how do you improve an already great motorhome with an amazing floor plan? This is the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan, the A.C.E 33.1.
Take a look around. You are going to love this layout. The A.C.E has all your favorite seating options. Let's start campside with the theater seats. Kick your feet up and grab a front row seat for movie night or the big game. Or sit back and have a conversation with friends on the cozy sofa. The large booth dinette offers a great place to share a meal, tell a story, play a game, or grab a good night's sleep, as the dinette and the sofa both make into beds. And the A.C.E comes standard with a drop-down overhead bunk. When it comes to entertainment, you have a TV midship, along with a big screen with Blu-ray player over the sofa, so there is not a bad seat in the house. Heading over to the kitchen, where the A.C.E 33.1 sets you up for cooking success. With a large stainless steel sink, the counter space a chef needs, a 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover, an oven, microwave, and double-door fridge. In the bathroom, you'll find a large shower with skylight, stainless steel sink, plenty of room for your linens, and the 360 siphon keeps your A.C.E smelling fresh. A comfy king-size bed awaits in the bedroom, along with USB charging ports in the nightstand. You have easy access to the large closet, and a TV is standard. The A.C.E 33.1 comes equipped for all your passengers with swivel captain's chairs, a pull-out laptop tray with 12-volt and 110-volt outlets, and your 4-legged guests will love this pull-out kibble station. On the road, when you're behind the wheel, getting to your destination is easy, as the dash features a 10-inch touchscreen with navigation, rear and side view monitors, along with Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls. The 3-valve Triton V10 delivers 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed transmission with an 8,000-pound hitch out back. Plus, your A.C.E rides on a solid and true MORryde foundation. When you're set up, unload your gear from the large storage bays. Put out the power patio, kick back with the exterior TV with soundbar, or fire up the barbecue with the Quick Connect propane connection. This is how getting away was meant to be. This is the A.C.E 33.1. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.